Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Juegos Para Niños is probably one of the most important purchases a parent can make for their child's development, offering a gateway to learning, creativity, and essential life skills through play. And in this video, we're diving deep into the top picks for children aged 4 to 6, ensuring your little ones are engaged, entertained, and learning every step of the way. Number 5. Gildan Ultra Cotton Long Sleeve T-Shirt Multipack G2400. Introducing the Gildan Ultra Cotton Long Sleeve T-Shirt, style G2400. This multipack offers exceptional value and comfort. Crafted from 100% ultra cotton, it provides a soft feel and lasting wear. Perfect for everyday use. Its classic long sleeve design makes it a versatile addition to any wardrobe. Dress it up or down with ease. Get more for less with our convenient multipack option. Stock up on your favorite essential tee. Experience the perfect blend of comfort, style, and durability. This is the t-shirt you'll reach for again and again. What we like? If you're looking for a reliable and comfortable basic, this is it. Its durable material ensures long-lasting wear, making it a great choice for everyday use. Consider this if you need a versatile piece that can be layered or worn on its own. What people say? They're well made, true to size, and the sleeves are the perfect length. Not too short, not baggy. The cuff at the end of the sleeve is a nice extra touch that helps them hold their shape. Really nice, soft cotton. Seems well manufactured. Comfortable as I like to layer during the winter months. True to size, and quality fabric for the price, not too heavy, and color was as described as shown in the pictures. Washed a couple of times with very little shrinkage. Number 4. ThinkFun Gravity Maze Logic Game. Spark your imagination and hone your critical thinking skills. Tackle engineering challenges through play, fostering intellectual development in an immersive STEM experience. This innovative game merges fun and education, making it ideal for fostering classroom skills. Watch as you become engrossed in strategic planning, both in school and at home. Open a world of construction possibilities as you solve marble puzzles that challenge your imagination. It includes everything you need for endless design possibilities. You'll love solving challenges and constructing complex runs with friends and family. This builds communication and reasoning skills while having fun. It's a great birthday or holiday gift for those who love logic games and creative problem solving. Learn from this challenging and Montessori-friendly game. What we like? This game is perfect for kids who love a challenge and enjoy problem solving. It's a fantastic way to boost critical thinking and spatial reasoning through fun, interactive play. If you're looking for an educational gift that keeps them engaged for hours, this is an excellent option. What people say? It helps boost creativity, problem-solving skills, and confidence in children. It's a great substitute for screen time and provides hands-on learning. This game is brilliant. It challenges both kids and adults to think spatially and logically to solve the puzzles. The pieces are high quality, and the challenges range from easy to difficult. The variety of challenge cards and different skill levels really help keep it engaging. It's truly a fun, challenging, and excellent mind-building game. Number 3. National Geographic Earth Science Kit. Discover over 100 exciting science experiments and activities designed for curious young minds. This kit is packed with fun, hands-on learning opportunities. Dive into amazing projects like growing your own crystals, building an erupting volcano, and even digging for geological treasures. It's a complete earth science adventure. With enough activities for everyone, this kit is perfect for sharing with friends, family, or classmates. Experience the magic of science together. Our detailed learning guide makes understanding the science behind each experiment easy and engaging. Foster a lasting appreciation for earth sciences. Clear, step-by-step instructions ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience. Focus on the fun of exploration and the thrill of discovery. We are committed to providing the highest quality educational toys. Your satisfaction is our top priority, ensuring a stellar learning experience. What we like? For the budding scientist, this kit offers a vast array of exciting experiments. It's designed for sharing and learning together, making it ideal for families or classrooms. If you want to spark a deep appreciation for earth sciences with clear, easy-to-follow instructions, this is the one. What people say. The game is very entertaining and educational. It helps children develop their creativity and problem-solving skills. The graphics are colorful and engaging, and the interface is intuitive and easy for children to navigate. The game offers a variety of activities and challenges that keep children entertained for hours, promoting learning through play. Number 2. Skillmatics founded Scavenger Hunt card game. Transform everyday spaces into a thrilling adventure with this exciting search and find game. It's a fun way for kids to discover new things around them. This engaging card game is an award winner, perfect for getting kids off screens and into action. It's great for home, school, and playdates. Designed for ages 4 to 7, this interactive game helps build observation and logical reasoning skills. Kids learn phonics, numbers, and shapes while having a blast. An adult reads a prompt, and kids race to find a matching object. The first to shout "found it" wins the card, making it a fast-paced and exciting game. Kids stay active as they explore, move, and search for objects. This makes learning hands-on, full of energy, and incredibly engaging. Easy to learn with simple instructions, this game makes a wonderful gift. It's ideal for birthdays, family game nights, or indoor playdates. What we like. This game is a fantastic way to get young children moving and thinking. It encourages observation and learning of basic concepts in a fun, active way. If you're seeking an engaging, screen-free activity that promotes learning through play for ages 4 to 7, this scavenger hunt is a winner. What people say. The game is very educational and helps children develop their motor skills. My son loves the colorful design and the interactive elements of the game. It's a great way to keep kids entertained for hours while they learn new things. Number 1. Osmo Little Genius Starter Kit for Fire Tablet. Introducing the Osmo Little Genius Starter Kit for Fire Tablet. It's a magical way for young children to learn and play. Watch as their hands-on game pieces come to life on the Fire Tablet. This kit makes learning interactive and fun, no Wi-Fi needed for gameplay. It helps children develop pre-reading skills, letter formation, and phonics. They can also explore creativity with shapes and colors. Perfect for ages 3 to 5, this kit provides real-time feedback in a stress-free environment. It encourages experimentation and a love for learning. The box contains everything needed to get started, including the Osmo base and reflector for your Fire tablet, plus all the fun game pieces. This kit is compatible with specific Fire HD 8 and Fire HD 10 models. Please check compatibility to ensure a perfect fit for your device. What we like. This kit offers a magical blend of physical pieces and digital interaction for young learners. It's perfect for introducing foundational skills like letters, shapes, and phonics in a playful environment. If you have a Fire tablet and are looking for an engaging way to boost early literacy and creativity for ages 3 to 5, this is an outstanding choice. What people say. It's very interactive and it gets him excited to play along. Plus it's very cool that he gets to see his work on the tablet. The Osmo system has been such an amazing system for my kids to learn on. Endless of fun, and they are actually learning something while they play. My daughter has only played 4 of the 6 apps so far and she loves them. The mixture of hands-on learning and technology is very well balanced. I like that my daughter can practice problem solving while also being creative. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.